Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening Word with your Microsoft account and a new document ready. You'll use Word's Transcribe tool, so make sure you have Word 365 or Word for the web. That's required. Next, add your audio file. MP3 or WAV works best, because compressed formats preserve speech clarity. Once done, select Dictate Transcribe and choose Upload Audio. This first step gets your media into Word and sets transcription parameters, so the process that follows is accurate and trackable. After uploading, Word transcribes in the cloud. Wait until the progress bar completes. You'll see speaker-labeled segments and timestamps. Play each segment to confirm words and punctuation. Make inline edits to fix names, technical terms, or misheard phrases. This improves final quality and searchability. Once segments are clean, use Add to Document or Replace to assemble the transcript. Make sure to preserve timestamps if you need them. They are useful for referencing and later editing, or quoting specific passages. Finish by formatting the document. Add speaker labels, timestamps, and headings for readability, then run spelling and grammar to catch errors. Save or export as docx or PDF for sharing, and generate captions or SRT if you need subtitles. If the transcript accuracy is poor, make one key fix. Reprocess with a cleaner audio file or shorter clips and correct remaining errors manually. This troubleshooting step addresses most problems because clarity of input determines transcription quality more than settings do.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.